What do we make, Aiden? Do we make some Play-Doh? Do you want to touch it?
Touch.
Touch. Yeah, touch the ball. Touch the ball of Play-Doh. It's cool. Can you touch it?
Touch.
Touch.
Sure.
Touch it. Hold the ball.
Sure.
It's just Play-Doh.
Dough.
Dough. Yeah.
Ball.
Ball.
Dough.
Ball of Play-Doh. Yeah.
Toe.
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 More colors?
Toe.
What color is that? Is that purple?
Purple.
Yeah, purple. And this one's green.
Dough.
And this one's blue. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Blue, good. More blue? Okay, we can add some more blue. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Good job.